Hi guys, so in this video we will be learning about a very beautiful fading animation, how we can implement a fading animation in an Android project. So let's get started. For this project I've already created a new project with the name TechInfi 17, and so let's get started by including the two images in our drawables folder. So I already have these two images here, and I'll just simply copy and paste them into my drawables. And now what I have to do is I'll change my styles to no action bar. You will understand later that why I'm changing it to no action bar. And let's just close these files now. Also now let's just frame our activity main.xml. So here I'll just start by setting my background to be of black color, and I need to have two image views here. So for that what I'll do is I'll just simply implement an image view over here. For this I need to select an image. So for the first time I'm selecting PUBG logo here, and yeah, so I'll just simply set the constraints because I'm using the constraint layout. For better reference, I'll just set scale type to fit XY, and I'll give the relevant image view ID and let it be logo image view. Okay, now I need another text view over here which will appear when this will fade out. So I'll just simply copy paste this one. I'll just copy and paste. I need to change the ID, obviously PUBG, and I'll also change the drawable, which will be PUBG over here. Now coming to the main activity file, so we'll just start by first defining our two image views over here. So first one, let's keep it as logo, and next one should be PUBG. And also what I need to do is whenever I click on the first image view, this first image view will fade away and the second image view will appear. So for that I will also implement an on click method over here, and let's name it as fade. So now what we'll do is we'll just define our image view, and I'm done. Now what I'll do is I'll define my function over here, which is with the name fade. So I'll keep the type to be of public, and I don't want my function to return anything, so I'll keep it as void fade, and it will be of it will be there on the click of a view, so I'll use it to be of view. And now what I need to do is I need to just change my image views. So what I'll do is first let's keep a boolean variable over here, which will be as logo is first. Track that which image view to appear first. So logo is first, and let's set it to be true. So now what I'll do here is I'll just keep a check, logo is first. Then what I need to do is I need to set animation over here. So let's check out now how we need to set animation. I have my image view with the name logo. So for this, now what I need to do is dot. Here you can see the very first option is animate, so we'll select the animate, and the other option will be alpha. Alpha takes the float value, which so I just need this logo to fade away. So what I'll do is I'll just set it to 0, and basically alpha handles the appearance of the logo, appearance of the view basically. So I'm setting alpha to 0, which means that I want to disappear it, and also I'll set the duration. So suppose I'm setting it to 2000. Now similarly I want my PUBG logo to appear. So for that what I'll do is PUBG animate dot alpha 1. I want it to appear, so I'll use 1 and set duration to be 2000 is, which means 2000 milliseconds, which means 2 seconds. Now as my logo is appeared, has disappeared, so what I'll do is logo is first equals to false. This I'll do the same thing, but now I want my PUBG image to fade away. So PUBG dot animate dot alpha, I want it to fade away, so 0, set duration to be 2000, and what I want now is logo to appear. So logo dot animate and dot alpha, because I want it to appear, so it will be 1, and set duration to be 2 seconds again. And again what I'll do is logo is first equals to true. So this is how our code will work. So let's just run this. Okay. Sorry, so both of our logos are appearing at the same time now. So for this what we need to do is we need to first set our PUBG logo to disappear for once. So what I'll do is PUBG dot animate dot alpha 0, alpha 0, and this is done. So now I'll just simply run it. So now we can see that only one logo is appearing. When I'll just click on this logo, the other logo will appear and the first one will fade away. And when I'll click on this PUBG, then the other logo will come into appearance. So this is how our beautiful fading animation works. Hope you like this video. Kindly subscribe to our channel. Thank you.